everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Outlook email view too large or too small in Windows machine. Outlook emails appearing oversized is a common issue caused by zoom settings, display scaling, or font configuration. So there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now the first step is to reset zoom in Outlook message view, which is the quickest resolution. To do this, you will have to open Outlook on your computer and open email, which is either too large or too small. So you can double click on it. If the email is too large or too small, you will have to look for the zoom settings. At the top right corner, click on zoom, choose the appropriate zoom setting. The best one is to choose as 100% and check the box which says remember my preference and then click on OK. So with this, you should have your email size proportionately to the one which you want to use. In case if you want to make any adjustment, you can go to the zoom, choose the appropriate one, zoom to from the zoom to option, or you can choose the custom percentage from using these up and down scroll. Remember my preferences and then click on OK. This is one way. If the font size or email view is too large for the new email message, what you will have to do is you will have to click on new email message or compose new message. If the font size is too small or too large, in this you will have to identify the zoom option. So you will have to go ahead and click on format text and then look for zoom option, choose the appropriate one. The recommended is 100% and then click on OK. So this should switch your font size or email view to the proportionate one. Or else you can use your scroll button on your mouse, use your control and scroll up or scroll down to adjust the zoom size. Once this is done, you should have the zoom to the default one. Whenever you compose a new message, you would have your font size or email view to the one which you have already set. Now the next method is to go ahead and reset Windows display scaling for all apps. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the desktop and then click on display settings. Once you're on the display settings, you will have to scroll down until you locate scale and layout. Now here you will have to make sure the scale is set to the recommended one. So in my case, the recommended percentage is 125%. It could be a different one for you based on your display setting. So make sure you always go with the recommended one. You can close this window, close all the Office application and relaunch the Outlook and check if the view is being set correctly. Now this should definitely fix the problem. Now if the issue persists, you can temporarily adjust the text size. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to click on accessibility. Under accessibility, you can go to the text size, slide the text slide to 103% or 100 and then reset to 100%. Close this window and try to open Outlook and check if your issue resolves. Now this should definitely fix the problem. Now in spite of all this, if you're still facing a problem, the next step is to go ahead and adjust Outlook reading pane font option. To do this, you will have to open Outlook and then click on view. Under view, you will have to go ahead and click on view settings. Under view settings, you will have to locate for other settings. Under other settings, you can adjust the column font or row font depending on your preferences. You can do the test, click on OK and then click on OK, and that should reset your Outlook email view. Now in case if you're composing emails, if you're facing this problem, what you could do is you can go to file and then go to options. Under options, you may go ahead and click on mail. Under mail, you can go to stationery and fonts and you can make the necessary adjustments based on the font size here. Once the adjustments are done, you may click on OK. To make the adjustment, you can click on font size, choose the appropriate font based on your preferences, click on OK, or you can click on set as a default, click on OK again, and then you may try to compose a new email and you should have the right font size or email view. Now once this is done, you may close Outlook and reopen Outlook, and that should fix the problem. Now in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.